Don't need to be here. You don't have to be here. It's okay. Mag-usap naman tayo mamaya. Kaya mo ba? Mga idol, okay lang ba? O, nandito naman yung dalawan yung mga head eh. Ha? Okay lang? Ito yung bagong team natin. Sorry ha. So, pasensya na kayo. Mamaya, marami tayong trabaho gagawin. Andiyan naman si Doc Mar? Ayan, tabi na kayo, Clara, and then maybe we'll have Yusek Charles there. Okay.
Hindi mo muna, kung maintindihan. Ako ay si D.E. Kenneth.
Bakit ako parang kinikilabutan dito sa...
Iba yung pakiramdam.
Iba yung vibes dito.
Mabigat ba?
Kailangan ayusin niyo yung vibes dito. Medyo iba vibes. Parang maraming mga bad spirit dito.
Ito nga hinimas namin kanina eh. Kailangan daw himasin.
Kailangan to. Kumuha tayo ng albularyo dito. Magpapalinis tayo.
Ito sir. Batch 2 cadetship program, civil engineering graduate. Nag-masters po siya ng civil engineering sa Japan. Si Paul Lumaba, civil engineering graduate din po siya. Ngayon, ongoing yung pag-masters po niya ng civil engineering.
Saan nagmamasters? Saan nagmamasters?
BSU.
BSU. Bulacan State? Edad.
Picture yan.
No, I need edad.
Edad.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Sir Paul.
Okay. Let me just wait for Prof. Mahar. So Prof. Mahar is here because we're going to be talking about solutions also. So, are you going to stay for this entire meeting? You want to cover this entire meeting? It's going to be a boring meeting. So is it okay? Okay ka ba? Nakatayo. Okay. Sige. Hintayin natin si Prof. Mahar. Prof, pasensya ka na ha. Ang liit pa ganito. Prof, this is the infamous table and infamous room. So magdadala tayo ng good spirit through Professor Mahar. Sige, before we go into the agenda today, which is really, I think Yusek Lara is going to present some solutions to our problems in Bulacan. I purposely asked Prof. Mahar, our Yuseks, and our two new officials here in the first district of Bulacan to be here in this room because symbolic itong kwartong to at itong table na to. No, para sa mga kababayan natin, this is the same table. Here. Yan. Ito yung table na yan. Yan. Dito ginapag nila, nung papalitan nitong dalawang to, nila Alcantara at saka nila Hernandez, yung, magkano daw to? 300 million ba ito? 300 million na pinagparte-partehan nila. And I think it's very important to use this as a symbol kasi kailangan itong buong district office na to, na kung saan talagang sumabog itong napakalaking skandalong ito, symbolic to din ng pagbabago. Sabi ng Pangulo sa akin, linisin natin ang DPWH, reformahin natin ang DPWH para hindi na ito maulit-ulit. And I think itong gagawin natin ngayon with our new leadership here in the first district of Bulacan. And I don't envy the job of these two young men here. No, but we will give them the full support. It's symbolic of the changes that we want to make, that the president wants to make in the DPWH. And now, here, instead of this, wala tayong ilalatag dito, kundi iisa lang. Ang lalatag natin sa table na ngayon with the help of our partners, sayang wala yung iba nating mga partners from the TWG, ang ilalatag natin sa table ngayon, hindi pera, kundi solusyon. Kasi kahit na lahat ng mga involved dito sa pagnanakaw na ginawa dito sa First District of Bulacan, pananagutin natin at malapit na silang mga makulong very, very soon. Kailangan pa rin nating solusyonan yung mga problema dito. Kasi yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Bulacan, sa Hagonoy, sa Kalumpit, sa Baliwag, kung saan-saan dito, binabaha pa rin hanggang ngayon. Yung mga pinuntahan ni Pangulo, yung pinuntahan namin a few months ago, hanggang ngayon binabaha pa rin sila. And kailangan solusyonan yun. And yun ang pag-uusapan natin. Kailangan managot pa rin yung mga tao dito. At mananagot sila, maniwala kayo. Nagsabi na yung ombudsman na very, very soon, ipa-file na yung kaso dito sa Bulacan na unang-una nating final noong September sa ombudsman. Ipa-file na nila sa korte. At mananagot lahat ng mga gumawa nito. Lahat ng gumawa nito, mananagot. Pero habang nananagot sila, kailangan solusyon naman ang pag-usapan natin. Yan yung ang gagawin natin ngayon. So before we go into that, I just want to introduce to you the OICs. No, OIC pa lang, no? Na District Engineer at OIC Assistant District Engineer ng First District of Bulacan. Si Engineer Kenneth Fernando, 33 years old. Kasama siya sa second batch ng cadetship. Si Yusek Lara, first batch. Mas matanda siya ng konti, no, ng ilang taon. Kenneth is 33. I think Yusek Lara is 36. So, civil engineer. Nag-masters ng civil engineer sa Japan under a scholarship sa JICA. How long have you been in DPWH?
10 years.
10 years na sa DPWH. Galing dati sa central office sa UPMO, tama ba ako? Sa UPMO, and ngayon i-assign natin siya dito as OIC District Engineer. And the Assistant District Engineer is going to be, OIC is going to be Engineer Paul Lumabas, 32 years old, also a civil engineer, currently OIC ng planning, tama ba ako? Dito, sa, bago ka pa lang dito, no?
Yes po,
1 month pa lang. And siya ay currently nagmamasters din sa Bulacan State University. Galing siya dati sa Private-Public Partnership Service ng DPWH sa Central Office. So, sila yung aasahan natin na fresh blood na magte-take over dito sa First District of Bulacan with the hopes of us finding solutions to the problems that we have here. They will be working closely with our technical working group, with Professor Mahar, with Professor Tabios, with Secretary Babe Singson, Yusek Lara, and Yusek Charles, to try to find a solution to this mess. Because our people in Bulacan need solutions. Yes, they want accountability, but they also need solutions. Because they are suffering every day for practically 6 months in a year. Because they're always flooded here. And we have to start finding solutions. And that is their job. And ang kabilin-bilinan ko lang sa kanilang dalawa, huwag kayong gagaya dun sa mga papalitan ninyo. Huwag kayong gagaya. Kasi kung gumaya kayo, kung ano mangyayari sa kanila, yun din ang mangyayari sa inyo. And I don't think you want that to happen to you or to your families. Diba? Let's do this right na. Gawin na natin to ng tama. Baguhin na natin to. And yung ginagawa natin dito sa First DEO Bulacan, yun din ang gagawin natin everywhere. No? So, and finally, I just want to also introduce, because our regional director, si Regional Director Dong Tolentino, has retired starting today, we will be appointing as concurrent Regional Director of Region 3, General Romel Tello, who is also our Assistant Secretary. Si retired General Tello is a 2-star general retired from the Philippine Army. Kasama po siya, Assistant Secretary po siya ni Undersecretary Ato Bisnar, who is also a very respected general from the Philippine National Police. So siya muna ang pagkakatiwalaan kong magiging OIC, concurrent OIC RD for Region 3. Ngayon na nag-retire na si Regional Director Dong Tolentino. So ASEC, Romel will be working with DE OIC Kenneth and DE Assistant District Engineer Paul. No? Huwag kayong mag-alala. 2-star general, 3-star general. So, yung security mo at ng pamilya nyo, okay na. So, alam ko, kinakabahan din kayo, sinabi nyo sa akin yung kanina, sila ang bahala sa inyo. They will secure you and your families. No, and make sure. By the way, 3-star general din si Undersecretary Charles Calima. So, mabigat ang ang inyong support group dito. Kasama na ako at pinaka-importante, suportado kayo ng Pangulo. So with that, I think we can start finding solutions already. You know, with the help of our private sector partners, with the help of Project NOAA, UP, Sexingson, we have to find solutions already. Okay? So with that, maybe we can take out these mics already and then we can, you can stay, there's nothing to hide here, and then Yusik Lara will start presenting with Professor Mahar, and then we will see, and then later on, please join us, we will be visiting, I think, one site that the President visited ba? Okay, in Bulusan, Barangay Bulusan. No? Yun, nandun din ata kayo, and we'll see if Professor Mahar will questions muna ngayon? No, Cora. You want to do all the questions later na lang? Para sama-sama na lang? Makinig na lang muna tayo. Kayo naman, dahil boring yung solution, ayaw nyo na. Eh, ito yung importante kahit boring. So, can we request lang yung microphones?